Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. So, let's start today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about verbs. Chapter number 12, verbs. You have already learnt about verbs in your previous classes. What are verbs? Verbs are also known as action words or doing words. Means words that denote an action is known as verb. For example, play, read, write, means whatever action we are performing, that is known as verb. Now I am teaching, so teach is also a verb. Sleeping, sleep is also a verb, etc. Okay. Now we will discuss about different types of verbs. Number first type is verbs that denote being. As you can see in your book, here are some sentences. With the help of these sentences, we will discuss each type. First type is verb that denotes being. He is a doctor. He was a student 5 years ago. So these sentences denotes being, means about that person, what he is now and what he was earlier 5 years ago. He is a doctor now and he was a student 5 years ago. पहले वो student था. वो so is and was are the verbs that denotes being, means उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं कि वो क्या है या क्या था. So our first type is verbs that denote being. For example, is, was, am, are, etc. I am a teacher. So here am is a verb that denote a being, that is telling about me. I am a teacher. What I am? I am a teacher. So it is a first type, verbs that denote being. Now second type is verbs that denote action. This type we have already discussed and you have done earlier in your previous classes also. Verbs that denote action. For example, play, read, write, teach, sleep, etc. Work and wake, run, wash, clean, etc. As you can see in your second sentence, he works hard but he sleeps a lot. वो बहुत वर्क हार्ड करता है बट वो बहुत सोता भी है. सो वर्क्स एंड स्लीप्स, दीज वर्ड्स डिनोट्स एक्शन, मीन्स वो हार्ड वर्क करता है. क्या करता है? वट वर्क ही इज़ डूइंग. वर्क हार्ड एंड स्लीप, वर्क एंड स्लीप, both of these words are actions. What work he is doing. So this is our second type, verbs that denote action. Another example can be she eats fruit daily. So eat is a verb what action she is doing? She eats fruit daily. So eat is a verb. Now our last type is verbs that denote possession. Possession means belongingness. Possession means belongingness. So the word that denote belongingness is known as verb that denote possession. For example, number 3rd sentence, he has a new blue sedan. He had a red car last year. Means now he has a blue sedan. अब उसके पास ब्लू सीडन है, बट पहले क्या थी? लास्ट ईयर उसके पास थी रेड कार. सो हैज़ एंड हैड, दीज वर्ड्स डिनोट्स पोजेशन, मीन्स बिलोंगिंगनेस. उसके पास क्या है? ही हैज़. सो दिस इज अ थर्ड टाइप, वर्ब्स दैट denote possession or belongingness. Another example can be, I have a new dress. Means I have a new dress. So have is a verb that denotes belongingness. कि मेरे पास एक new dress है. So it is a third type, verbs that denote possession. So we can say that verb tell us what a person, an animal or a thing is, has or does. Is means denotes being, has denotes possession and does denotes action. Means उसके वो क्या है, what it has and what he is doing or he does. So these are our 3 types of verbs. Verbs that denote being, that denote action and that denote possession. In being we have other examples also, is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be. These all are being. And in action we have works and sleep from these sentences. And verbs that denote possession means has, have, had, will have, shall have. These all are the words that denote possession. Possession means about belongingness. So that's all for today. We have discussed about 3 types of verbs. In our next class we will do back exercise of this chapter. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.